So today we are going to discuss about data science as it's one of the promising and in-demand careers these days. Data science is a hot topic among many skilled professionals and organizations that focus on collecting data and drawing meaningful insights out of it to aid business growth. A lot of data is an asset to any organization, but only when it's processed efficiently. Data science encapsulates everything, and it's like an umbrella term that encompasses many job families underneath it, like a data scientist, a data analyst, or a machine learning expert. So just understand that part of it. Like an artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning, these are also a part of data science. So if you want to become a data scientist, the first thing that you need to do is to figure out what kind of a data scientist or what kind of job family you in the data science you want to pursue, as it's a really broad term and many job families fall under this. So you need to narrow down to find the exact position or the best fit for you. Now let's have a look at a Venn diagram to make things easier for you. So there's a computer science, computer knowledge, and the core programming skills together with business expertise combines to form a traditional software engineering domain. Then business expertise with maths and statistics forms data analyst, and on combining the knowledge of computer science with maths and statistics, you are going to get machine learning domain. And all of this falls under data science, which is the reason why it's in the middle, and you need to have a grip on all of these skills to be a data scientist. A really good grip. So you need to figure out which side of the spectrum on this Venn diagram do you want to be. Do you want to be a data scientist or a machine learning expert, or just a computer scientist, or do you want to be a data analyst or a business analyst? So you need to figure out first of all where your niche is and what do you want to pursue, and then decide your role in the career. Also, you need to keep in mind that the definition of data science for every company is different. It's not the same. For example, the definition of data scientist at Amazon would be different to a data scientist at Microsoft. Their job requirements would be different and their skill set would be different. So you need to understand that. Firstly, you have to decide which job family you want to pursue, and then decide which company or a dream company that you want to go to. Then look at their job requirements and skill set. Then you need to figure out your path towards getting that job. So that's it. And I hope by now you will be having a clear idea on what data science is. Thank you so much for watching.